What if I told you that connecting Isaac Sim to a real Allen Bradley PLC takes just 11 lines of code and costs $0? First, let's check if PyLogix is already installed in Isaac Sim. I'll use Isaac Sim script editor to verify this. If it's not installed, I'll show you how to install it properly using VS Code with Isaac Sim's Python environment. Since PyLogix isn't installed, I'm switching to VS Code. I'll use Isaac Sim Python environment to install PyLogix properly. Now let me show you my Allen Bradley PLC program with 2 tasks already online. Here you can see readPlc set to 5 and writePlc set to 0. The program is running and ready for communication. Here's the moment of truth. I'm going to paste our communication script to read and write PLC data simultaneously. I'll demonstrate different test cases to show you the real-time bidirectional communication in action. Perfect! Isaac Sim just read 5 from the PLC and wrote 999.99 back to it. Now let me show you different cases. This opens incredible possibilities. Digital twin that mirror real factory equipment, robot control system, process automation, real-time monitoring, all with a free tool. Try this with your own Allen Bradley PLC. The code is in the description. Subscribe for more industrial automation tutorials and I'll see you in the next one.